Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Matte Edition, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So if you need to download something from a different place than the Google Play Store, then you have to allow unknown sources. So let's start by opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy, and scroll down to find the option install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a website, from Chrome. So simply tap on it and tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. And as you can see now, the Chrome is allowed to install something, but be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, so just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And now the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.